Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a BMW X1. Start by testing the key fob battery and using the physical key tucked inside the fob if needed, then try a manual door unlock to confirm the latch works. If remote entry fails, move to cabin access techniques like folding rear seats access or trunk release, and always stay calm to avoid damaging seals or electronics while you work. In this video, I will show how to unlock a BMW X1. First, replace the key fob battery and test both fobs to isolate the problem. If the vehicle does not respond, follow the resynchronization steps from the owner manual or try the spare key to confirm receiver issues. Keep spare batteries and a secondary key on hand so you can regain access quickly and avoid roadside frustration when signals fail. In this video, I will show how to unlock a BMW X1. Use the emergency key slot on the trunk or badge area to open the boot, and then fold rear seats to access cabin locks if needed. For frozen or jammed locks, gently warm the handle area and use silicone spray on visible mechanisms. If all else fails, call roadside assistance to avoid causing damage and document attempts for warranty or insurance purposes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.